Hi, this is Dr. Bragg from the Spine and Orthopedic Pain Center with part 3 on tips on how to reduce your back pain while watching television. If you missed the first 2 tips, go back to my last 2 weeks' tips so that you can get those valuable tips. We spend in America an average of 4 hours per day watching television. I recommend that you use some of that time watching television to reduce your back pain. Simply incorporate as much movement as possible during your television time. For advanced strengthening of your core, while on all fours, tighten your stomach and raise either your right or left leg and the opposite arm. Keep your back rigid and repeat 10 times per set. I recommend you do 2 sets per day. Now, if this causes pain, you stop it and talk to your doctor and see if you can proceed. The last tip I recommend that you do while watching television is to perform some extension exercises. We spend a lot of time flexing our backs, meaning bending forward. So we need to perform some extension exercises where we bend backwards to counteract those activities. These exercises can easily be done while standing and placing your hands on your hips and leaning backwards. Now, if you have spinal stenosis, a condition where the canals in your back or the foramen are narrowed, avoid doing these stretching exercises. If you don't have spinal stenosis, you can do these extension exercises. But if you have narrowing of the holes where the nerves come out in the canals and the foramen in the back, then you do not do the extension exercises. Now, this is Dr. Bragg with a tip for a pain-free Friday. Remember, this is part 3. So go back and watch the other 2 parts so you have all the tips on how to reduce your back pain while watching television. Now, please sign up for my YouTube below, and I'll see you back next week with another tip for a pain-free Friday.